Chapter 8 Probability Exercise 8.4 The probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 by 5 and the probability that he will not get plumbing contract is 5 by 8. The probability of getting at least one contract is 5 by 7. What is the probability that he will get both? Let us take this electrification contract as event A. So P of A is given as 3 by 5. Then if we take this plumbing contract as B, then what is the meaning of not get plumbing contract? Yes, this is B dash. Its probability value is given as 5 by 8. The probability of getting at least one contract, this stands for A union B. Its value is given as 5 by 7. What is the probability that he will get both? This both stands for A intersection B. Are you able to understand the question? Yes. A be the event of getting an electrification contract. Its probability value is given as 3 by 5. So from this we can write it as P of A is equal to 3 by 5. Let B be the event of getting plumbing contract. Here it's given that not getting plumbing contract, that is B dash, probability is given as 5 by 8. So from this we can write P of B dash value is given as 5 by 8. How will you find the value of P of B then? P of B is equal to 1 minus P of B dash, which is equal to 1 minus 5 by 8, which is 8 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Then P of A union B value is given as 5 by 7. Now we have to find P of A intersection B. So by addition theorem of probability, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A value is 3 by 5 and P of A union B value is 5 by 7 plus P of B value is 3 by 8. We have to find this P of A intersection B. Now we can move this P of A intersection B to the left hand side. So this minus P of A intersection B becomes plus P of A intersection B, which is equal to 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8. Now we can bring this 5 by 7 to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 5 by 7. Here the denominators are different, so we have to take LCM of these three numbers. So LCM of 5, 8 and 7 is 280. These three numbers are not divisible by any common number, so we have to just multiply and take the LCM. 5 into 8 into 7 is equal to 280. So in order to get the denominator as 280, here we should multiply both the numerator and denominator by 56. So here we should multiply by 5 sevens are 35 and here 5 eights are 40. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 40. So multiply and say the answer first. Yes, 3 into 56 is 168 plus 3 into 35 is 105 minus 5 into 40 is 200. 168 plus 105 is 273 minus 200 divided by 280, which is equal to 73 divided by 280. So we cannot simplify this one further. Probability of A intersection B is equal to 73 by 280. Therefore, probability of getting both the contract is equal to 73 by 280. Is it clear, students? Yes. 11th question. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. What is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? So in a town of 8,000 people, over 50 years, we can take this as event A. And females, let me take this as B. So N of A is 1,300 and N of B is 3,000. It is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. So what is the meaning of this line? So 30% of the females are over 50 years, which means that A intersection B. So they are females as well as they are over 50 years. Now the question is, what is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or 50 years? So this is A, this R stands for union, and this over 50 years we have taken that one as B. So now we have to find A union B. Are you able to understand the question? Yes. Let A be the event of choosing people over 50 years. So it's given in the question that N of A is equal to 1,300. So from this we are going to find the probability of A. So already it's given that N of A's value is 8,000. So P of A is equal to, what's the formula to find P of A? That is N of A by N of S, which is equal to N of A is 1,300 divided by N of S is 8,000. The next event, B be the event of choosing a female. So we can write it as, let B be the event of choosing a female. So N of B is given in the question that 3,000. So from this we can write P of B is equal to N of B by N of S. Substitute the values here, which is 3,000 divided by 8,000. It's given in the question that 30% of the females are over 50 years. So from this we can write it as N of A intersection B is equal to 30% of 3,000, which is equal to 30 divided by 100. This half stands for multiplication into 3,000. So here we can cancel these two zeros. So the answer is 900. N of A intersection B is equal to 900. From this we can write it as P of A intersection B is equal to N of A intersection B by n of s. Substitute the values, we will get the answer as 900 divided by 8000. By addition theorem of probability, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now we are going to substitute the values here. P of A is 1300 divided by 8000 plus P of B is 3000 divided by 8000 minus P of A intersection B is 900 divided by 8000. Here the denominators are same, so you can write the common denominator as 8000. 1300 plus 3000 is 4300. 4300 minus 900 is 3400. So now we can simplify this one by cancelling these two zeros. So cancel these two numbers by two tables. 17 into 2 is 34. Similarly here 40 into 2 is 80, which is equal to 17 by 40. Therefore, probability of choosing a female or a person over 50 years is equal to 17 by 40. Is it clear, students? Question number 13. If A, B and C are any three events such that probability of B is twice as that of probability of A and probability of C is thrice as that of probability of A, and if P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6, P of B intersection C is equal to 1 by 4, P of A intersection C is equal to 1 by 8, P of A union B union C is equal to 9 by 10, P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 1 by 15, then find P of A, P of B and P of C. It's given in the question that probability of B is twice as that of probability of A. What's the meaning of this one? This is nothing but P of B is equal to twice, that is 2 times P of A. So here probability of C is thrice as that of probability of A. So which means that P of C is equal to thrice, that is 3 times probability of A. And the values of A intersection B probability and B intersection C is probability, A intersection C probability, A union B union C probability and A intersection B intersection C probability also given in the question. They ask us to find P of A, P of B and P of C. Are you able to understand the question? Yes. These values are given in the question, and it is also given that P of B is equal to 2 times P of A and P of C is equal to 3 times P of A. By addition theorem of probability, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Now we are going to substitute the values in this formula. So P of A value we don't know, so you can write this one as such, and P of B value is 2 times P of A. So we can write this as 2 times P of A. P of C is 3 times P of A. Then A intersection B value is given as 1 by 6. So we can write here minus 1 by 6. Then minus B intersection C is 1 by 4. Then A intersection C is minus 1 by 8. Then P of A intersection B intersection C is 1 by 15. So this is plus 1 by 15. Then the value of P of A union B union C is also given in the question, that is 9 by 10. Which is equal to 9 by 10 is equal to P of A plus 2P of A plus 3P of A. What will be the answer? Yes, this is 6 times P of A minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 15. Keep the 6 times P of A in one side and move all the numbers to the other side. 9 by 10. Now this number is in negative sign. When it goes to that side, it becomes plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, and this is minus 1 by 15. Here the denominators are different, so we have to take LCM. Let us take LCM for this numbers. 10, 6, 4, 8 and 15. So let us start with two tables. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and keep this 15 as such. Now again with two tables. 5, 3, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Here the same 15. Do it with three tables. 5, 1 3 is 3, 1 2, here 5 3s are 15. Now with 5 tables, 1 1 1 2 1. Now multiply the numbers. Yes, 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60, 62s are 120. So the LCM of these numbers is 120. Which is equal to 6 times P of A. The denominator is 120. So in order to get the number 120 in the denominator, you should multiply by 12. Here we should multiply by 20. Here we should multiply by 30. This is 8 into 15 is 120. 15 into 8 is 120. Now you have got the same denominator as 120. And the numerators are 108 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15 minus 8. 108 minus 8 is 100 plus 20 120 plus 30 is 150 plus 15 is 165 divided by 120. Now you can cancel this one by 5. We will get the answer as 33 by 24. Again cancel by 3 tables, 11 and 8. So P 6 times P of A is equal to 11 by 8. So from this we have to find the value of P of A, which is equal to 11 by 8 into 6 is 11 by 48. The question they ask us to find P of B and P of C also. So P of B is 2 times P of A, which is equal to 2 into 11 by 48. So you can cancel this 2. 1 2 is 2 and 24 2s are 48. This is equal to 11 by 24. And P of C is 3 times P of A, which is equal to 3 into 11 by 48. You can cancel this 2 by 3 tables. 1 3 is 3 and 16 3s are 48, which is equal to 11 by 60. Now we have to write it as P of A is equal to 11 by 48 and P of B is equal to 11 by 24 and P of C is equal to 11 by 60. Is it clear, students? Yes. Thank you.